Well, today is Monday, February the 26th, I believe it is. And as you can see, we're snowed in here. Truck's buried in snow over there. Plow truck is buried there. We're at +1 right now, just above freezing. And got socked over the weekend with a big snowfall. Could be 30 below zero yet, but it's warmed up. And yeah, lots of snow. Lots of snow. Have to clean that off. Have to get the rest of the firewood off the trailer. It's buried in the snow. Split it up. Yep. Just an update on northwestern Ontario weather. Half hour west of Thunder Bay. Okay, thank you. Short update.
If anybody knows where I can get a torque converter for this HD4, it would be very muchly appreciated. It's been down for about 15 years. I got the engine and everything out for it, and I have been trying to find a torque converter for it. It's a crawler tractor, loader. I just need a torque converter for it. It's an HD4. Thank you.
Well, at the end of the clip here, I'm going to throw in a couple of photos of a transport accident that happened on the same snowstorm the last couple of days. Thank you. Well, I got a call day before yesterday from the vet in regards to the death of the 4-month-old Jersey bull that I lost, along with 2 others with the same symptoms. And as you recall, in one of the videos I did, I had the vet do a gross autopsy post-mortem on him, and he called me the day before yesterday with the results. Boils down to he couldn't find anything wrong, abnormal with the calf. Lungs were all good, organs were all good. Couldn't find nothing in blood samples. Couldn't find anything in tissue samples. The only thing he found was abnormally low muscle content around the heart and low fat levels around the heart. Other than the runum was souring, which happens as death occurs. So he says it can't go by nothing on with that, because that's something that just happens as it slowly dies off. So he basically had no answers from me still with doing an autopsy, other than a little bit of abnormal low muscular around the heart and low fat around the heart. Still no answers to it. He was taking a few guesses at what it could be, what it couldn't be, but they're just guesses and nothing scientifically backing. So that's where that stands. Nobody knows. It's like what's his name there off the rest of the story. He says the Holsteins and that they're just born to lay down and die, and that's the reality of it. You know, I've gotten away with it for 37 years and lost the odd one here and there once in a while, but fall of 2017 and winter of 2018 was hell. I lost 5 of them in a row. All to the same symptoms, gone down the same way, everything, and not responding to treatment. And ones that did, the 2 that did respond to treatment and stood up, they dropped dead a few days later, just when you thought they were doing good. So there was no signs of pneumonia, no signs of malnutrition, no signs of infection, no signs of liver problems. The only thing he come back with was that he observed in the autopsy was low muscle content and low fat content around the heart. That could be many things. It could be it didn't get enough colostrum when it was born. It could have been, a deficiency that they just lacking in their development. But there was no deformities of any kind. Just he observed a very low muscle count tissue around the heart and very low fat around the heart. And he knows what I'm feeding and the high protein that I'm feeding and the rations they get and everything else, and he was basically stumbled by it. That's what all Dr. Dan could tell me. Okay, have a great evening and take care. And once again, if you can use any of the links below to donate to help out on any of the causes, please feel free. It'd be very much appreciated. Thank you.